Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deep and you guys have tuned into Miss Jiva Deep. First of all, a very happy Diwali to you and your family. So on the occasion of this festive season, I'm sharing this beautiful quirky look with you guys without any eyeliner, eyelashes. This will look super pretty. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. I really don't know why I'm doing this hello again, but never mind. Welcome everyone once again, and also welcoming to my new pimple in this festive season. So here I'm starting off with this Nykaa skin serum. Name of all the products are mentioned in the description box. Guys, I really love this serum. It gives a smooth glowy tint on my face. By the way guys, I really forgot to mention that I have already applied moisturizer on my face half an hour before applying makeup, so that it completely settles down into my skin and provides a smooth surface on which my makeup easily glides on. Over that serum, I'm applying one of my favorite inside primer on the wide areas of my face, under my eyes, on my eyelid, forehead, and also a little bit around my lip area. Just giving it a soft hand massage so that it can easily place onto my skin and it forms a different layer on the skin to make my makeup long lasting. I know that it's too late to post this video, बट मुझे हर काम ना लास्ट मोमेंट पर करना बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि आई थिंक दैट नो मोर ऑप्शंस आर लेफ्ट. And yeah, if you like my video till now, then please guys do subscribe, like and comment in the comment section below, because you guys are watching only a video but you really don't know about the efforts that we have done for shooting this. Now applying concealer on my eyelid to conceal my eye. Here I'm using this NYX Professional HD Concealer. Guys, its link is also mentioned in the description box. I'm applying it all over my eye to prepare a proper surface for my eyeshadow. I prefer to go for eye makeup first before face makeup to avoid fallouts that may ruin your whole look. And yeah, don't forget to blend it well using your damn beauty blender. Now for eyeshadow, I have decided to play with colors from this Nykaa K palette, Autumn Spice variant. Firstly, here I am applying this brick sort of shade to my outer V. इससे मेरी eye look को एक depth मिलेगा. Now guys, before anything else, do check it out my Instagram handle. There I have already posted pics of this eye look, and also do follow me there. Show your love and support by like, share and must do comments. It means a lot to me. Instagram ID is again and again popping up on the screen. Also, its link is mentioned in the description box. After that, I have chosen this shade, which is bit matching to my outfit, and applying it onto my eyelid. To complete upper eye look, I have topped up with this shimmer shade. Yeah, thoda sa golden and brownish, actually light brown shade, but yeah, it's really beautiful. Now here I am applying this mascara from Maybelline Volume Express Mascara and applying it on my eyelashes. As you all know that I have already applied primer on my face. Now here I am directly switched towards the concealer. So here I am using the same concealer which I have already used for my eyelid and applying it on the required areas of my face. And then blending it using Damn Beauty Blender. Here I am applying this Fit Me foundation, and all the required details of this foundation are mentioned in the description box. So I am applying this in the dotted form all over my face, including neck area. Then using beauty blenders, blend it all. Guys, if you want me to give any idea for my future video, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will surely do it for you guys in my future videos, and also give you a shout out on my YouTube video. Now here I am applying this bronzer, and all the details of this bronzer are mentioned in the description box. I am applying this on the required areas of my face, under cheekbone, on the side of my nose, jawline, etc. Now for blush, I am using the same palette which I have used for my eyeshadow, and taking this beautiful shade and applying it as blush on my cheekbone. Now here I am using this highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter just to give a brighten effect on my face, applying it on the required areas of my face. The proper detail of all the products are mentioned in the description box. Do check it out. Now for lipstick, I am using the two different shades and applying it on my lips. Actually I forgot the name of the second one, but yeah, first one is from Maybelline, but proper details are mentioned in the description box. At last, here I am applying some kajal on my waterline. I am using this blue kajal to give some pop-off effect on my eye. So guys, this is my final look. I really hope that you liked it. It takes lots of efforts and time as well. So please, if you like my video at any point, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And once again, wish you a very happy Diwali. Don't burn crackers, go for eco-friendly Diwali. And yeah, keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.